Why does modulation matter for two-way radios? Imagine trying to have a clear conversation in a noisy room. That's what modulation helps two-way radios do in busy or challenging environments. It's the secret behind crisp, reliable communication. Modulation is how radios turn voice or data into signals that travel over radio waves. Without it, the radio wave would just be a simple, meaningless carrier. It would be like shouting into the void with no one hearing you. Modulation encodes your message onto the carrier wave by changing its properties. These properties include how tall the wave is, how often it repeats, or where it starts in its cycle. The most common method used in two-way radios is called frequency modulation. This technique changes the frequency of the wave based on what you are saying. It's preferred because it fights off noise better than amplitude modulation, which changes the wave's height. This means clearer sound, even when there's static or electronic interference. For tactical teams or first responders, clear communication can be the difference between success and failure. Modulation also influences how signals can reach and how well they resist interference. For example, frequency modulation signals are less affected by static and obstacles like buildings or trees. This makes them ideal for use in urban areas or rugged outdoor terrain. When teams are operating in these environments, reliable signals are vital. Different types of two-way radio systems relying on modulation to work efficiently. Simplex radios send messages directly between two units. Repeater systems use stations to extend range, and trunk systems allow many users to share channels smoothly. All these systems depend on proper modulation to keep messages clear and prevent confusion. Knowing how modulation works helps users pick the right radios for their needs. Radios with good modulation techniques offer longer range, better clarity, and less interference. This means messages get through faster and more accurately, which is essential during urgent situations. In short, modulation transforms a basic carrier wave into a dependable communication link. It improves clarity, reduces static, and makes efficient use of radio frequencies. For anyone using tactical gear or communication devices, understanding modulation is key to staying connected when it counts most.